This is the brief on mastering Unit 7 grammar from the Get Involved textbook. Unit 7, Going Unplugged, focuses heavily on the passive voice, and we're going to break down the 3 tricky passive structures that constantly trip students up on exams. First, let's look at the standard passive voice. You use this when the object or the action itself is way more important than whoever's actually doing it. The core rule? Just use the correct tense of the verb to be plus your past participle. Like the textbook says, my laptop isn't being repaired at the moment. But watch out for this common test trap. If you do need to mention who did the work, don't forget the word by, like by the technician. Second, what happens to this structure when we introduce a modal verb, like should or can? It's a really simple formula adjustment. Just your modal verb plus be plus the past participle. Take this unplugged themed example. Cell phones should be banned in class. Students totally overcomplicate this, but you literally just wedge the word be right between the modal and the verb. Finally, but wait, what if I didn't do the action at all, but I paid someone else to do it to my stuff? Well, that's where we use the causative structure. Have or get plus the object plus the past participle. Contrast I repaired my phone, where I actually did it, with Ina had her phone repaired, where a repair shop did it for her. And here's the final tricky detail for tests. Get means the exact same thing as have, it's just kind of the informal version you'd use with friends. Keeping these 3 passive structures straight is the ultimate key to acing the test and finally getting to unplug.